Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a package off of GitHub and how to do basic things in Terminal, like changing your directory, how to install packages and requirements into an environment, and then how to run Python scripts in Terminal. So first and foremost, assuming I've already shared variable resolution with you, or I've made it public at some point, you can just click into it. And the easiest way to go about it, if you're not super familiar with how GitHub works, is just to download it as a zip file. So if you download it as a zip file and then open it up, unzip it, and then let's say you go into the variable resolution folder, here you have a whole bunch of Python scripts that we can work with. And first and foremost, we want to open up a terminal from here. So typically you would control click on the address bar and open in terminal, and then you can see that we are in variable resolution, and that's the directory we're in. So our terminal is looking at this folder here, which is what we want. Our terminal is looking and can access these Python scripts. Now, however, if you, let's say you want to do it another way, just to teach you how to use change directory function, we can close this. We can open up terminal this way, and we can copy variable resolution as path name. We can type cd paste, and then that obtains us the same result. So that's how you use the cd function to navigate to a certain path. Now, the next step is to create an environment, and the environment is where you're going to be able to install all kinds of unique software and packages that enable you to run my package, variable resolution. So, but first and foremost, how to create an environment: conda create -- name, and then you're going to call it something. So variable resolution, for me, variable resolution tutorial space Python equals 3.9. I'll do 3.10. So let's do that. Just press enter. It does a whole bunch of stuff. And then I'm going to press Y. And then it's going to keep going. As you can see, this is these steps are here for me that ChatGPT produced. Now, to activate that environment, we can follow what ChatGPT has told us, or it's even provided us some code that we can run to activate this environment. Use conda activate variable resolution tutorial, and then you know that it's activated once it's in the brackets there. Now, to install the requirements, I mean, typically just to install packages, we can use the code pip install, let's say pandas. Pandas is a really popular data analysis or data frames kind of software in Python. So pandas, there's a lot of tutorials on how to install pandas, but this is how you do it: pip install pandas, and then it's going to do a whole bunch of a whole bunch of lines are going to pop up, and pandas is going to install into my environment. Variable resolution tutorial, you can do conda list, and then you can see that pandas might have already been installed, but pandas is installed and is available for me to use. So I want to be able to look up all the different requirements, and in this folder there is a file called requirements.txt, or rather, it's not in this folder, it's in the folder above. So I'm going to copy this as a path name, cd into that path name, and then I'm going to pip install -r. So let's bring this over here. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Let that run, and then it's going to download a whole bunch of different packages here. While that's running, I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to install FFmpeg on Mac OS and Homebrew. So this is going to take a hot minute. while this takes a hot minute, I'm gonna, I wonder if I should drag this over or something. I'll just wait for this to finish. Now, the next step, I would install, in order to use variable resolutions YouTube video downloader, you need two things. You need Homebrew and you need FFmpeg. So then you can ask ChatGPT on how to install Homebrew. You can run this code. I know it seems kind of sketch, but Homebrew will help you then install FFmpeg, which is a set of software that will help you install YouTube videos and manage and kind of split YouTube videos. So once you do that, you run brew -- version just to verify that you've downloaded Homebrew properly, and then you can do brew install FFmpeg and then run FFmpeg - version to verify that you've installed that properly. So now once you've done that, I'm going to use the cd function again, and just remember that I'm currently in the folder above variable resolution. I'm currently in this folder. I want to go into this variable resolution folder to run a script. So I'm going to do cd variable _ resolution to navigate into this. And then I want to run, there's a whole bunch of Python scripts, but the only one that you really need to know is python main.py. And then once you hit python main.py, we have officially hit the focus framework, in which we can cover in another video, but this is your main menu, and you'll be able to go at variable resolution. The only other script that we're really using a lot nowadays that's not in the main menu is Python YouTube search interactive.py. I don't know whether this script is working right now or not, but it asks for your YouTube API key, and then you can kind of go ahead and download YouTube videos following the menu items from there. So thanks a lot for watching this video. It's a lot of things to download and a lot of things to wrap your head around, but if you have ChatGPT open next to you, you should be able to ask it for clarifications, and this should get you up and running for running variable resolution on your computer. Thanks a lot. See you next time.